Hello and welcome to the capture filters. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We are going to learn about the basics of capture filters and what are the various capture filters available in Wireshark. We are going to cover here in this video. So what you can do here, basically you can start or restart Wireshark again, and let me provide you information about capture filters. So now guys, I'm inside my Windows 10 machine. Now you can start Wireshark again. So click on your Windows, search for Wireshark, click here and open it. So here we are at Wireshark. Now we know that display filter is inside Wireshark. When you have captured all the traffic, then you can simply use display filters, right? But this is basically capture filter. You can see here using this filter. So inside capture filter, you can simply put commands and you can decide that what traffic I want to capture, right? So this is all about capture. Now, what are the capture commands available? So let me provide you information about capture command. So you can click on capture, select capture filters, and here it is. So this is basically capture command, all our capture commands, right? Now, for example, if I want to grab packets from a particular machine or IP address, so I can provide that IP address in the capture filter, and Wireshark will only grab the packets from that IP address, right? So for example, this one, IPv4 address 192.0.21. So if you put, but this is basically capture filter, it will only capture traffic from 192.0.2.1. It is not going to capture any traffic from other machines, right? So this is basic information about capture filter. Now you can see here that IPv4 only, you can provide IP address, you can also provide the protocol that I only want to grab TCP kind of protocol, or I only want to grab UDP kind of protocol. So that is basically capture filter. Display filter is different. When you have captured, then you can put display filter, but before any capturing process, you can perform capture filter, or you can simply type capture filter in Wireshark so that you can decide that what traffic I want from Wireshark. I think you know the difference now. All right. Now guys, let me give you a simple example of capture filter and you can check if it actually works or not. So now guys, let me give you a very simple example and we are checking if capture filter actually work or not. So let me click OK. We are going to use this one, host space the IP address. So now, for example, I'm going to capture traffic from my system. So I can type here host space 192.168.0.8. That's it. Now it is checking and then it will enable itself. Here it is, right? After typing this filter, you can click on your adapter and then you can start capturing. So you can double click here. So now it is going to capture the packets which are connected with your system, and you can see here that these all packets are connected with my system 192.168.0, because you can see here that in each packet you can see my IP address in source or in destination, right? Let me stop the capturing process. Now what I'm doing here, I'm doing this process again and I'm using an IP address which is not available inside my network, right? If we want to check the capture filters actually work or not, so what I'm doing here, I'm again closing Wireshark, right? Let me open it again. And now I'm typing the IP address which is not available. Obviously there will be no packet. Now you can type here the host space the IP address which is not available inside your network, for example 192.168.0.4, because we want to check if capture filters actually work or not. So here it is enable. Now you can select your adapter and double click here. Now you can see here that there is not a single packet captured by Wireshark because there is no IP address. Got it? And basically my IP address is .8 and I have typed .4, which is the wrong IP address. That's why there is no packets inside Wireshark. Got it? So actually capture filters work. All right. So you can use capture filter if you want traffic from a particular IP address or from a particular system, all right, or for a particular port number, for a particular protocol. So that's how actually capture filter work. In the next video, we are going to learn about follow streams.